LyndSAY, we have a new video. So for today's video, we are going to unbox a birthday gift for myself. Yay! So here it is. Actually, my birthday is still next month. So why not, right? Well, actually, to be honest, I've been an impulsive buyer lately. Yeah, I saw this product online and it's on sale, and I've been wanting this for so long. Yeah. So yeah, come on, are you excited? I'm so excited as well. So let's open this. So I have Are you excited to know what's inside? Oh my gosh! Oh my god! So there you go. Here it is. Yes. So I bought
A few moments later.
So I bought a GoPro 1080p. So it's a sports camera. You can use this for underwater shots, for time lapse. It's also good for filming while you are riding a bike or driving, you know. And as for me, I would like to use this when shooting or filming my vlogs, because as you all know, I only use my phone when vlogging. So let's open this. Oh, it's so nice. So inside the box, so no more inside. We have here the clip one. Okay, it's for clipping. This one is what this one is handbar or pole mount. These tools, you know. And then this one is a mount 2. Then we have here mount 3, so we have a lot of mounts for mounting. And this one is helmet mount. And then this one is the USB cable for charging. These are the bandages, and of course the camera itself. So it's already inside the waterproof case, and inside was the battery. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And it has something like this, and it is already covered, you know, so I can just remove this, I believe, like this. Yeah. Okay, there you have it. It's so nice. I love it. Actually, there are 7 colors to choose from. This one, the black one, I chose the black one because I think it's so cool. And they also have blue, gray, white, green, gold. I don't know the other colors. Oh my gosh, I love it. So how can we operate this? So I believe I should read the manual first before, you know, before operating this, because I have no idea yet how to use this. So there is a battery inside already, I think. Okay, so I think this is the battery. Okay. And yeah. So how can I use this? Oh. Okay, so how can I open this? Oh, it has a sound. Oh, I love it. Okay. So I'm just going to inform you. I'm going to update you later or some other time if I'm already using it, or if I am, or how can I use this, you know. I'm just gonna put it back here. And yes.
One eternity later.
So I put it the wrong way. Oh, finally. There you go. I so love it. So guys, I'm just gonna read the manual first, or gonna ask YouTube or my other friends who already have such camera, so that I will be knowledgeable enough how to use this, because I might break it, you know. It is somehow costly. So guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you like it and enjoy as much as I did. Like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye! Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.